All right, we're going to make the long envelope. You need a rectangle 4.5 inches by 7.5 inches. So we're going to mark off a flap that is 1/4 of an inch on one of the long sides. All right, so now we're going to mark off 1 inch. One inch, 1 inch, 1 inch. So 1 inch and 1 inch. This is going to be A, B, C, and E. No, D. Now we're going to make a DB and GH. I'm going to make a mark 1 inch up here. 1 inch up. This is EF. EF. G and H is 1.5 inches down. 1.5. 1.5. G, H. F should be there. Right now we're going to mark our center here and draw a point. I already tried it and made a mistake there, so draw a point there. You're going to round this a little bit. I think I did that too much. So round this. You cut this off. You cut this off. The bottom here, you're going to cut that off and then round this. And then cut that off and that off. So we're going to paste GE on HF. So this little flap. First we need to turn up all of our, this little flap here is going to get pasted here. I'm going to glue it and tape it. And tuck the rounded edge in. And then that one goes down. Clean it up a little bit. So here's your long envelope. I used to have really small envelopes back then.